Reversible USB-C connector. Supports up to 5A charging output. 1 cord length. Connector type: USB Type-C. The Samsung USB-C cable lets you charge your USB-C device as well as sync your photos, music and data to your smartphone or laptop at blazing charge and transfer speeds. In addition, the cable also transfers up to 5 amps 20 volts of power output for charging USB-C devices. Top reviews from the United States. Not bad. It's not bad. I use it to play Apex on my S20 plus 5 grams. I've had it for a while now, no problems. The best thing is I bought it used. I wish more people would buy used products from Amazon. You save money but it keeps everything out of the landfill.